Okay, so we continue to discuss syllabus. So learning outcomes, you can read it later. So basically this is, again, explains the course materials. Lectures and quizzes. So lecture videos will be available on the instructor's YouTube channel. So you can access to this website and you can find the the 6840 videos. Yeah, and the lecture slides are also available in Canvas. So sometimes it's more useful to read slides than watching videos. So videos have more information, but suddenly it helps. And quizzes. So quizzes basically replace the attendance scores. So just that I would like to make sure that you catch up with the course on time. So quizzes are not difficult, but if you haven't watched the videos and haven't read slides, sometimes you may have difficulties to answer questions. And quizzes will be graded. Yeah, and do quiz within 2 days. So that is the deadline. Office hours, as mentioned before. So again, if you are available, attend the first office hours. You can ask questions, and also I plan to use the break up session to give you some time to discuss with some classmates. And homework, probably every 2 weeks about some computer experiments, and sometimes maybe some statistical theory. And for computer experiments, I would like to ask you to submit your work as a PDF file created by RStudio. So not just cut and paste from the R language itself, but PDF file created by RStudio. It makes much easier to read for me. And exam, there is one take-home exam, and it just work independently. You will have about 1 week to solve all exam questions. And final exam is substituted by final project, so no final exam. And final project is basically the data analysis project. So I will ask you to develop your individual final project plan and collect data and implement statistical analysis and make a presentation video. And students will watch presentations each other. So if we have 15 students, I would ask you to watch all videos of the other students. If too many students, maybe we divide all students into 2 groups, and you have to watch the half of the videos. But I will let you know the details later. And before doing final project, I will ask you to submit a project plan that is due on November 23rd. The project plan is just a short summary of your project plan. So it will be returned with my comments. So the purpose of the project plan is to make sure that you are on the right track and you have a good plan and also the feasible plan. Grading, quiz 10%, homework 30%, midterm 25%, final project 35%. So this is the 6,000 level course. So the grading is not that harsh, but the course materials are not easy. So I expect that maybe some students dropped out in the middle of the course, but if you keep up with the class, then you will get a good grade. So I expect that the most of you get a good grade. And if you get 80% or more in weighted score, I guarantee an A. So that means if you get 79.5, you may get an A, but at least A minus is guaranteed. So these are important dates. We have no class on Labor Day, so no videos, no homework, no quizzes. And final presentations are distributed to 3 days. So different students have different deadline. So you cannot watch all the video in 1 day. And also, I have to do something to compile the information of your videos. So that's why we have different days. So we will discuss who will make presentation on the first day or second day, and so on. Okay, so this is the syllabus. See you then.